Okay, this is the Marvel vs. Capcom Tournament Edition fight stick. It has beautiful artwork and stuff, and on the back is just about the product. It's exactly the same as the Street Fighter 4 Tournament Edition and the Femme Fatale Tournament Edition, available at Capcom.com only, I believe. Anyway, here's the beautiful inside, and it's my first time unboxing this, I suppose. Yeah. I'll get to that later. This is the Tournament Edition fight stick itself, with super awesome artwork featuring Capcom and Marvel characters. And this is a little thing, an adapter, goes right here, and it allows you to plug in your Xbox 360 headphone, and I've heard that it actually increases the audio quality output, but it may be a rumor. Anyway, it's a great stick, it's beautiful, get it.